Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Kain tayo guys. I have here guys tulingan na paksiw. May mga spices na yan guys. Like ginger, garlic, pepper na. Tapos lagyan ko yung aking kanin guys para masarap. May pinakbit pa ako dito guys. Kain tayo guys. This is the pinakbit guys. Sabaw sa paksiw. Guys, oh yung ulo.